We wait beneath the furnace blast, the pangs of transformation. Not painlessly doth God recast and mold anew the nation. Hot burns the fire where wrongs expire, nor spares the hand that from the land uproots the ancient evil. The handbreadth cloud the sages fear, its bloody rain is dropping. The poison plant, the feather spared, all else is overtopping. East, west, south, north, it curses the earth. All justice dies, and fraud and lies live only in its shadow. What gives the wheat fields blades of steel? What points the rebel cannon? What sets the roaring rebels' heel on the old star-spangled pennon? What breaks the oath of men of the South? What whets the knife for Union's life? Hark to the answer: slavery. Then waste no blows on lesser foes, in strife unworthy freemen. God lifts today the veil and shows the features of the demon. Oh, north and south, its victims both, can ye not cry, let slavery die, and union find in freedom? What though the cast-out spirit tear the nation in his going? We who have shared the guilt must share the pang of his o'erthrowing. Whatever the loss, whatever the cross, shall they complain of present pain who trust in God's hereafter? For who that leans on his right arm was ever yet forsaken? What righteous cause can suffer harm if he its part has taken? Though wild and loud and dark the cloud behind its folds his hand upholds, the calm sky of tomorrow. Above the maddening cry for blood, above the wild war drumming, let freedom's voice be heard with good, the evil overcoming. God, prayer and purse to stay the curse, whose wrong we share, whose shame we bear, whose end shall gladden heaven. In vain the bells of war shall ring, of triumphs and revenges, while still is spared the evil thing that severs and estranges. But bless the ear that yet shall hear the jubilant bell that rings the knell of slavery forever. Then let the selfish lip be dumb, and hush the breath of sighing. Before the joy of peace must come, the pains of purifying. God give us grace, each in his place, to bear his lot and murmuring not, endure we wait and lay.